you can consistently upload authentic YouTube videos and almost ignore all of the rules, and over time, you will have success. Hey there, welcome back. It's Ian. Let's get right into it. This is a YouTube channel called Accepting the Universe. I am showing you this because I was served this video right here called Why Do You Postpone Yourself?, which has almost 500,000 views at this point. But let me just show you this chart right off the bat. All right, so if we look at this chart, this is what is possible by just continuing to consistently publish videos, title them properly, and most importantly, be your authentic, true self, which is what this guy is. So the blue, one of my channels, the red is his channel. Around March 13, one of these videos just went absolutely nuts. It's dropped off a little bit. So let me show you a little bit of the details about this channel. So let's go to videos. Oldest video is 9 months old. He was posting about 2 times a month, and then he moved up to 4 times a month. But as you can see with these videos, the thumbnails are extremely basic. It's just a picture of him. The titles are exactly what the video is about. And that doesn't necessarily break YouTube, quote, rules or standards, but it is a little bit rare if you are, quote, chasing views. Now I'm going to play you some of this video, the Why Do You Postpone Yourself, and you can see for yourself.
You clicked on this video was because that sentence called out to you in the title. And you'll be amazed to know that very insightful and very mesmerizing sentence is 2,000 years old, and it comes from the ancient Stoic philosopher Seneca. In fact, these are his letters, and I recommend that you not only read Seneca, but that you get this University of Chicago Press translation of it, because it's a complete one. I used to read the Penguin version, which is only a selection. But Seneca, throughout his letters, has this style that really calls out to us from the centuries.
All right, so this video is about the Stoic philosophy of Seneca, which is very, very popular right now. It has been for a couple of years. More importantly than that, I want you to have noticed his pacing in this video. I'm going to try it right here. He gives you an idea, he lets it sink in. He gives you another idea, he lets it sink in. I should start trying that. I'm not sure if this is a professional actor or a therapist or a psychologist or a psychiatrist, but he's talented at pacing inside of these videos. So let's get back to the data a little bit. The purpose of me making this video is to simply reinforce the idea that you can consistently upload authentic YouTube videos and almost ignore all of the rules, and over time you will have success. So the SEO score on this video, as far as the TubeBuddy app is concerned, is 0. And here's some things that are not happening, things he is not doing. He's not using tags. And if you go to the description, there is no description for any of the videos that I have watched. Also fascinating. Also kind of breaks the YouTube rules. But let me show you something. Look at some of these comments. This is another one of the videos. Become selfish to be selfless. I like coming here, sitting down and listening. This is a quote from the video. Truly the most peaceful corner on YouTube. Keep sharing your wisdom with us. I usually don't focus on external beauty, but you look mesmerizing. I like to watch this guy. There's some Russian. We're on the same wavelength. I've been thinking about this too. This is exactly what you want to happen when you have a YouTube channel. A lot of positive feedback. In summary, continue to upload videos. Continue to be your authentic self. You can't ignore the rules if you want to. I'm on the fence about how much the rules really apply. But 24 videos, 9 months is all it takes to have one video pop. And it's absolutely worth doing. So just keep uploading. Keep being your authentic self. And everything's going to be just fine. See you in the next video.